the first thing you need to do is you need to fork the WooCommerce plugin in your own GitHub repo. So of course you would have a free GitHub account. What you have to do then is going onto the WooCommerce GitHub repo homepage, which would be this one. You will see the list of files. You see the about page, the README down here. This is the basically homepage of the WooCommerce plugin on GitHub. What you have to do then is going and click onto fork. This will allow you to create a new fork unless you already done it before, which is my case. So you can create a new fork, for example, your repo / WooCommerce, or you can go to an existing fork in case you've done it already. So we will be doing the latter because I already have it. In your case, you just click on create a new fork and follow the simple instructions. So you can give it a name and a position within your GitHub account. In my case, I'm going to go, I'm going to my existing fork. So I click on the fork that I already have. And the first important thing that I have to look at is this. So this branch, which means this fork, is 1 commit ahead and 7 commits behind WooCommerce, which means that, especially for the behind thing, is not in sync. So if you created a fork before and you want to add, submit a new pull request today, it is important that you actually sync it first. So you will go to sync fork. We'll tell you this branch is out of date, update branch. And in 1 second, the your specific, so in this case, Business Bloomer / WooCommerce, so my own WooCommerce fork will have synced. And if I refresh, I expect that this branch is 1 commit ahead because I previously submitted a pull request and 0 commits behind. So let me try refresh and see if it works. There you go. It actually has 2 commits ahead because I posted 2 pull requests. Okay, so we now have a fork. We now are in sync with the WooCommerce plugin, and we can finally go and do some coding, which is what we're here for. We have a specific task. We want to add a specific change, and we want to submit our pull request. So first of all, we need to identify the template, the file that we want to add our change to. In my case, I will tell you what the task is, and I will show you, based on that the plugin file that I want to customize is the cart totals.php file inside the cart folder, which is inside the templates folder in the WooCommerce plugin. A user came with this very interesting customization request from their own client, which is, I have the cart totals table on the cart page. You usually have a table with specific rows such as subtotal, the shipping, the discounts, the fees, the order total, and also the tax. And he was saying, how do I sort? How do I change the sorting of these rows? For example, I will want the discount before the subtotal, the fees at the very bottom, below the taxes. How do I sort the cart totals table on the cart page? So this is why I am looking at this file, because I want to do some changes inside these and tell WooCommerce, hey, look at my pull request. See if you like this code change now, if everything is working and this is a good idea, approve it and release it in the next version. So